Hello and welcome. Steel yourself for 30 fascinating questions that will test your abilities. What is an electric current? Flow of electric charges through a conductor. Stored electrical energy. Electrical pressure in wires. The correct answer is flow of electric charges through a conductor. Knowledge boost: electric current is the movement of electrons through a conductor. Like water flowing through a pipe, billions of electrons move together, creating the electricity we use. Which particle carries electric charge in most circuits? Protons. Neutrons. Electrons. The correct answer is electrons. Did you know? Electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit atoms. When they move from atom to atom, they create electric current that powers everything from phones to cities. What is the unit of electrical resistance? Ampere. Ohm. Watt. The correct answer is ohm. Here's something cool. Resistance is measured in ohms, named after George Ohm, who discovered the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. The Greek letter omega represents it. What type of material is copper? Insulator. Conductor. Semiconductor. The correct answer is conductor. Impress your friends with this fact. Copper is an excellent conductor, allowing electrons to flow freely. That's why over 60% of all copper produced is used for electrical wiring and cables. What happens when you increase voltage in a circuit with constant resistance? Current decreases. Current increases. Current stays the same. The correct answer is current increases. Surprising trivia: according to Ohm's law, when voltage goes up, current goes up proportionally. Doubling voltage doubles the current, like increasing water pressure doubles flow rate. What is the purpose of insulation on electrical wires? To make wires colorful. To prevent current from escaping and causing shocks. To increase conductivity. The correct answer is to prevent current from escaping and causing shocks. Here's a nugget of wisdom: insulation materials like rubber or plastic have extremely high resistance, blocking current flow. This protects you from electrocution and prevents short circuits between wires. In a series circuit, what happens to total resistance? It decreases. It stays the same. It increases. The correct answer is, it increases. Knowledge boost: series resistance adds up. 3 10-ohm resistors in series create 30 ohms total, because current must fight through each obstacle one after another. What does a circuit breaker do? Increases electricity flow. Automatically breaks the circuit when current is too high. Stores backup power. The correct answer is automatically breaks the circuit when current is too high. Here's an interesting fact: Circuit breakers detect dangerous current levels and snap open in milliseconds. They're reusable safety switches that protect your home from electrical fires. What is the difference between conductors and insulators? Conductors allow current flow and insulators block it. Conductors store energy and insulators release it. Conductors are hot and insulators are cold. The correct answer is, conductors allow current flow and insulators block it. Here's an interesting fact. Conductors have free electrons that move easily while insulators hold electrons tightly. This fundamental difference determines which materials we use for wires versus safety coverings. What creates resistance in an electrical conductor? Collisions between moving electrons and atoms. The color of the wire. The shape of the circuit. The correct answer is, collisions between moving electrons and atoms. Here's a nugget of wisdom. As electrons flow through material, they constantly bump into vibrating atoms. These collisions convert electrical energy into heat, creating the resistance we measure. What is electrical potential difference? Another name for voltage. The difference in wire thickness. The time delay in circuits. The correct answer is, another name for voltage. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Potential difference and voltage mean the same thing, the electrical pressure between 2 points that pushes electrons through the circuit, like height difference pushes water downhill. Why do batteries have positive and negative terminals? For decoration. To create potential difference that drives current. To prevent overheating. The correct answer is, to create potential difference that drives current. Fun fact, chemical reactions inside batteries create charge separation. Positive terminal has fewer electrons than negative, creating the voltage difference that pushes current through your devices. What happens in a parallel circuit if you add more branches? Total resistance decreases. Total resistance increases. Total resistance stays constant. The correct answer is, total resistance decreases. Let's learn something new. Parallel branches create more paths for current, like adding lanes to a highway. Total resistance drops because electrons have more routes to travel. What is the relationship between power voltage and current? Power equals voltage times current. Power equals voltage plus current. Power equals voltage divided by current. The correct answer is, power equals voltage times current. Knowledge boost. The equation P equals 6 shows that power is the product of electrical pressure and flow rate. High voltage with high current delivers maximum power transfer. What causes an electrical spark? Air suddenly becoming a conductor. Metal rusting. Current reversing direction. The correct answer is, air suddenly becoming a conductor. A quick fact for you, when voltage is high enough, electrons jump through air ionizing gas molecules. This creates a visible plasma channel we see as a spark with temperatures hotter than the sun's surface. Why do thick wires have less resistance than thin wires? More space for electrons to flow through. Thick wires are made of better materials. Thick wires are colder. The correct answer is more space for electrons to flow through. Here's an interesting fact. Resistance is inversely proportional to cross-sectional area. Doubling wire thickness gives 4 times more area cutting resistance to 1/4, like wider pipes carrying more water. What is the function of a fuse in electrical circuits? To increase current. To melt and break circuit when current exceeds safe levels. To store electricity. The correct answer is, to melt and break circuit when current exceeds safe levels. Fun fact, fuses contain thin metal wires designed to melt at specific currents. When overloaded, the wire vaporizes, instantly breaking the circuit before fires start. What type of current flows in one direction only? Alternating current. Direct current. Static current. The correct answer is direct current. Let's learn something new. Direct current flows steadily in one direction like a river. Batteries provide DC power, and it's used in electronics because computer chips need consistent directional flow. What type of current reverses direction periodically? Direct current. Alternating current. Random current. The correct answer is alternating current. Surprising trivia, alternating current switches direction 50 or 60 times per second. Power plants generate AC because it efficiently travels long distances, and transformers easily change its voltage. What happens to current when resistance doubles with constant voltage? Current doubles. Current is halved. Current stays the same. The correct answer is, current is halved. Here's something cool. Ohm's law shows current equals voltage divided by resistance. Doubling resistance cuts current in half, like narrowing a pipe reduces water flow by half. What is a semiconductor? Material that conducts better than insulators but worse than conductors. Material that only conducts in summer. Material that stores electrical charge. The correct answer is material that conducts better than insulators but worse than conductors. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Semiconductors like silicon have controllable conductivity. Adding tiny impurities changes their properties, making them perfect for transistors and computer chips that run modern technology. What is electrical energy? The capacity to do work using moving charges. The color of electricity. The sound electricity makes. The correct answer is the capacity to do work using moving charges. A quick fact for you, electrical energy is the ability of moving electrons to perform tasks. It powers motors, converts to light and heat, and runs every electronic device. Why does current flow from high voltage to low voltage? Nature balances electrical potential. Low voltage attracts electrons. Current flows randomly. The correct answer is, nature balances electrical potential. Impress your friends with this fact: electrons naturally move from areas of high electric potential to low potential, seeking equilibrium, just like water flows downhill and heat flows from hot to cold. What is a short circuit's main danger? It increases efficiency. It causes extremely high current and heat. It saves electricity. The correct answer is, it causes extremely high current and heat. Here's an interesting fact. Short circuits bypass normal resistance, creating paths with almost zero opposition. Current skyrockets, generating intense heat that can melt wires and ignite fires within seconds. What does doubling the voltage and having the resistance do to current? Decreases current by 4 times. Increases current by 4 times. Keeps current the same. The correct answer is, increases current by 4 times. Surprising trivia, using I equals V divided by R, doubling voltage doubles current and having resistance doubles current again. Combined effect multiplies current by 4, dramatically increasing power. What is the purpose of a resistor? To oppose and limit current flow. To generate electricity. To store charge. The correct answer is, to oppose and limit current flow. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Resistors are components deliberately added to reduce current. They protect sensitive parts, control brightness in LEDs, and divide voltage in circuits through controlled opposition. Why is aluminum used in power transmission lines? It's the best conductor. It's lightweight and economical with good conductivity. It looks shiny. The correct answer is, it's lightweight and economical with good conductivity. Here's an interesting fact. Aluminum conducts 61% as well as copper but weighs only 30% as much. For long power lines, this weight advantage saves millions in support structure costs. What creates electromagnetic induction? Changing magnetic field near a conductor. Static magnetic field. Steady current flow. The correct answer is, changing magnetic field near a conductor. Here's something cool. Moving magnets near conductors or changing current in nearby wires induces voltage. This principle powers every generator and transformer, making our electrical grid possible. What is electrical impedance? Opposition to alternating current flow. Encouragement of current flow. Storage of electrical charge. The correct answer is, opposition to alternating current flow. Surprising trivia, impedance is AC's version of resistance, combining resistive opposition with reactive opposition from capacitors and inductors. It determines how circuits respond to changing currents. What makes superconductors special? They have infinite resistance. They have zero electrical resistance at very low temperatures. They only work in summer. The correct answer is, they have zero electrical resistance at very low temperatures. Here's a nugget of wisdom. At temperatures near absolute zero, certain materials lose all resistance, allowing current to flow forever without energy loss. This could revolutionize power transmission and magnetic levitation. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.